That's awesome. Taking out 2 big cone area 18s and still happy with it. That's pretty good, man. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, XplicitAudio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Jess, can you grab my camera? I like your truck paint job, man. Is this the same truck you've had for a few years?
Same truck.
Wow, and this is the same one that you did the cabin work?
Yes.
Wow. Nice.
Got a wood dash in here and I took all that back out. Put a stock dash back in.
So could you tell me your name? I know it's Jamie. I said that. What is in here, man?
And right now there is 6 ZV518s running at 1 ohm each per pair actually on 3 7500s.
Wow. And it was these 2 you took out?
8, yes.
Did you take them out for any reason?
Yeah, the spacer come unglued, so I just took 2 out to see what it did and kind of like the way it's doing now.
That's awesome. Taking out 2 big cone area 18s and still happy with it. That's pretty good, man.
Yeah,
nice. What's your SPO on it?
It's done a 161 in the kick, a 60 on the glass, 60.5 on the glass. Outlaw, I haven't done anything sealed in it.
Yeah. And you're still playing, what's your like bandwidth on it?
Bandwidth now is from 19 to 40. I don't play above 40.
Very nice. Oh, so it likes 30s and 20s. You don't go into the high 40s?
It really likes 20, I'd say 22 to 26 is what it likes most.
And it's called a negative ratio 4th order.
Yes. What it was before we dropped the 2 subs, so it's probably back to a 1-to-1.
1-to-1, yeah. One alternator, 390 you said?
Yes, 1 390 is running. Well, there's 2 running right now, but I have 3 hooked up. Okay. I just had to bring the voltage up, so I'll drop back to 1 because it was just I had the amps on for a while.
Yep.
It's a low windy.
That was to me, it's a better build now.
Yeah.
You know, I was
Very musical too.
In the 50s.
On the hot.
Yeah, but
listening to fix me.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, XplicitAudio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.